Hello students, in last session from the chapter number 9 some applications of trigonometry in exercise 9.1 up to the question number 8 completed. Now we discuss ninth number exercise 9.1 question number 9. See the question on a page number 204. It is most important chapter. The angle of elevation of the top of building from the foot of tower is 30 degree and the angle of elevation of the top of tower from the foot of building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of buildings. We need to find height of the building. First of all, there are two things. One is tower and another is building. So, who is tall between both of two? Angle is greater than the side opposite to this angle is greater. One is angle of elevation of building. Suppose AB is a building. Angle of elevation of top of building from the foot of tower. Suppose CD is a tower and C is foot of tower, C to a line of sight, and CB is horizontal. This angle is 30 degree. And the angle of elevation of top of tower D from the foot of building, which is B. B to D is line of sight and BC is horizontal, which is 60 degree. Whenever you get angle 60 is more than the 30, then side opposite to angle 60 is greater than the side opposite to angle 30. So that it is our correct figure. Now we draw a perfect figure for the solution. For that we require scale and pencil. First of all, we have to draw a ground level. AB is building vertical to the ground and CD is tower, is the building. Also tower is vertical to the ground. Both angle of elevations are given. Angle of elevation of top of building from the foot of tower C to A line of sight and CB is horizontal. Angle between them is called the angle of elevation of top of building and is given 30 degree. Same way, from the foot of building, the angle of elevation of top of tower is 60 degree. So that first of all, draw line of sight BD. BD is line of sight and BC is horizontal. Angle between them is angle 60 degree. 60 degree is the angle of elevation of top of tower D. The figure is completed. Now one thing is given, the height of building is given. If the tower is 50 meter high, not height of building is given, tower is 50 meter high, we need to find height of building. Tower is 50 meter high. Height of tower is 50 meter. We need to find height of building. Assume that as a H. Find the height of tower, which is H. First of all, write the description about the figure. In the figure, AB is building, A is top and B is bottom of building. CD is tower, D is top, and C is bottom of tower. Height of tower is given. CD is equals to height of tower is equals to 50 meter. AB is equals to height of building is equals to H is equals to question mark. Now, angle of elevations are given. Angle ACB is the angle of elevation of top A of building AB from the foot of tower C. That is angle ACB is equals to 30 degree. Next thing is given same way, angle DBC is the angle of elevation of top D of tower CD from the foot of building B. That is angle DBC is equals to 60 degree. First of all, use right triangle BCD. In right triangle BCD tan 60 is equals to its opposite CD upon adjacent BC. Tan 60 is equals to root 3. CD is 50 upon BC remains as it is. Now make BC as a subject. 50 upon root 3. BC is equals to 50 upon root 3 is not our final answer, so not rationalize here. Now use right triangle ABC. In right triangle ABC tan 30 is equals to its opposite AB upon BC, where tan 30 is equals to 1 upon root 3. AB remains as it is, means H upon BC is a 50 upon root 3. Now the denominator go to the numerator, so that 1 upon root 3 is equals to root 3H upon 50. Now make H as a subject. H is equals to 50 upon root 3 into root 3. That's why H is equals to 50 upon 3. 50 upon 3 is written as 16 integer 2 upon 3 is the answer in our textbook, but in form of decimal divide 50 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 2 and 0, 6 are 18, 2, 0 then point, 3, 3, 3 up to infinite. Sorry, the 6, 6, 6 up to infinite. So that our answer H is equals to 16.67 unit is meter. Is the height of building? Write the answer in sentence. Therefore, height of building is 16.67 meter. Hence here the question number 9 is completed. Is also important because of height of building and height of tower, so that keep in mind, if the angle is greater then the side opposite to this angle is greater, if the angle is smaller then the side opposite to this angle is smaller. Now we discussed next question number 10. Now we discuss next question number 10. Question number 10 is most important sum. See the question on page number 204. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of road which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of poles and the distances of the point from the poles. Here the two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other either a side of road. So that first of all we have to draw one road. Keep in mind, whenever you draw your figure, use scale and pencil. Suppose wide road is there, 80 meter wide, and two poles of equal heights are there. AB and CD are two poles with equal heights. Both are vertical with the road. The width of road is given in the question, which is 80 meter wide, so that the distance between B to C, which is 80 meter. Okay. Now next thing is that from a point between them on a road, between them means not in middle. Suppose point P is here. From this point we need to see the tops of pole. The angle of elevation of top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. From a point P, the angle of elevation of top A and top D, one is 30 and one is 60. B to A, P to A line of sight, PB is horizontal. P to D line of sight and PC is horizontal. Whenever you go far from the angle of 90 degree, the angle is decreases, and you come to the 90 degree, angle is increases, so that DPC is 30 degree and APB, which is 60 degree. We need to find height of pole. Let's assume as a H and H, because both poles are equal in height, and the distance of this point with the two poles. Assume that BP is a X, then total 80, subtract X and we get PC, 80 minus X. Okay, first of all write the description about the figure. What we need to find? We need to find two things. First is height of the poles, and second distances of point from the two poles. First, describe the figure. In the figure, AB and CD are two poles of equal height. AB is equals to CD is equals to height of pole is equals to H is equals to question mark. P is the point between the road BC is equals to width of road, given that 80 meter. Two angles of elevations are given. Angle APB is the angle of elevation of top A from point P, that is angle APB is equals to 60 degree. Same way another angle of elevation is given, DPC. Angle DPC is the angle of elevation of top D from point P, that is angle DPC is equals to 30 degree. Distances of point P, distances of the point from the poles BP is equals to question mark and CP is equals to question mark. Okay, assume that BP is equals to X. Therefore, BP plus PC is equals to BC. BP is X, PC as it is, and BC is equals to 80. BC is the width of road. That's why PC is equals to 80 minus X. First of all, use right triangle ABP. In right triangle ABP, tan 60 is equals to its opposite AB upon adjacent BP. Tan 60 is root 3, AB is equals to H and BP is equals to X. We need to find both H and X, so that make H as a subject. H is equals to root 3x. Okay, it is our result number 1, relation between H and X. Now use right triangle DCP. In right triangle DCP, tan 30 is equals to its opposite CD upon adjacent PC, where tan 30 is equals to 1 upon root 3, CD is equals to H and PC is equals to 80 minus X. Now cross multiply. 80 minus X is equals to root 3H. Now substitute the value of H from 1. 80 minus X is equals to root 3. Instead of H is root 3X. 80 minus X is equals to 3X. Shift this X left hand side to the right hand side and we get 80 is equals to 3X plus X. 3x plus x is 4x is equals to 80. That's why x is equals to 80 upon 4. 20s are 24s are 80. That's why x is equals to 20. Now use result number 1. Write the reason here because of from 1. Use result number 1. from 1, h is equals to root 3x. That's why h is equals to 20 into root 3 because value of x is 20. H is equals to 20 root 3, unit is meter. It is height of poles. Height of poles is 20 root 3 meter. Now we need to find distances, means BP and CP. BP is equals to x itself, which is 20 meter, and CP is equals to 80 minus x. 80 minus x is 20 is equals to 60 meter. Both answers are obtained here. Hence, height of poles are 20 root 3 meter and the distances of point from the pole are, one is 20 meter and another is 60 meter. Question number 10 is the most important sum, so that keep in mind P is not a midpoint of BC, but point P lies between the road. Okay, got it? Very well. And keep in mind how to put angles here. Whenever you go far from the angle of 90 degree, angle is smaller, and whenever you come to the 90 degree, angle becomes a larger. Okay, keep in mind the relation between 90 degree and the angle other than 90 degree. Question number 9 and question number 10 completed in this session. Now whenever we meet in next session, we discuss our new sums from the exercise 9.1.